Okay, so let's go ahead and verify our domain name with Godaddy. So if your DNS provider is Godaddy, you will have a similar screen to this one here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and add our records that got sent to us into Godaddy. So I'm going to go ahead and click over into my domain name here. I'm going to head down here to Manage DNS. And then you will see here you have the ability to add a record right here where it says add. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add here. And then the first one we're going to add is going to be a TXT record. So we're going to go here and do TXT. And then we need a host. So we're just going to copy this entire thing like this. And then if we paste our host in here, you will see that it brings over all the information. For GoDaddy specifically, we just need to type in Amazon SES. There is no other value that we need to add because this will get automatically appended to the root domain. So we're just going to put Amazon SES there. And then we're going to go ahead and grab this value. So we're going to go back over here, paste the value in there, and we're going to click save. If you get a message like this that says enter any alphabetic number, text, or special character, just go ahead and paste it in again. Erase the last character and then enter it one more time. This is more than likely because you enter an extra space at the end, and this is why you're getting that error. So I'm going to go ahead and click save here, and that goes ahead and adds it there. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more here, and this one's going to be a CNAME. So we're going to go back over here, we do CNAME, and our host is going to be this one here. There we go, and paste it in here. Again, we don't need this part of the domain name, so we can go ahead and remove that. And then this is going to point to our value here. So I'm just going to copy this, and then we're going to paste this in here. And just to make sure we don't have any spaces, erase the last value there, and click save. And then we're going to go ahead and repeat this process one more time here with another CNAME. So we're going to go add CNAME. Paste our value, remove this part of the domain, and then we're going to go ahead and paste this in one more time, like so. Make sure we don't have any extra spaces, click save, and then we're going to add one more, finally the last one here. So we're going to do CNAME. Just before, we're going to remove that part, and then we're going to copy this value to there, and then we're going to click save. Okay, so we went ahead and added all of the 4 values. We added the TXT record, we added the CNAME records. So at this point, we're ready to go ahead and try out if the domain name has been verified. Now, it's very important because sometimes this verification process is not real time. It could take a couple hours for the domain name to get verified. So just be patient and come and check often on the dashboard just to make sure if it has been verified or not. So we're going to go ahead and check now over in my account. As you can see, the domain name has been verified. At this point, we're able to go ahead and send emails from this domain name. And that's pretty much all there is to verifying the domain name using GoDaddy. If you want to go ahead and use a subdomain, we'll have a separate video walking through that process. But it's pretty much the identical steps that we went through today, with the exception of adding that trailing subdomain that you might want to use. So that's going to go and do it here for me, and I look forward to talking to you soon.